Tornado warning.
And you like tell it your location and shit. So it like knows like
Tornado warning.
Hey, watch me hit an insane free kick.
There's literally a tornado warning.
And you're playing soccer. Watch me hit an insane free kick.
Guys, tornado warning.
And now look at your forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. Tonight.
Man, that ain't nothing. I'm gonna go hug that tornado.
Here it is.
Until 8 p.m.
Guys, listen to this.
At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Danville, 422 miles southeast of Crawfordsville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows.
Wait, I'm gonna go outside. Tornado siren activation.
Tree damage is likely.
Yeah, go outside, yeah. Go to the lake. Go to the lake.
I'm gonna go.
This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 58 and...
No, my parents aren't even here. My grandma's here.
You can just go out and
or an interior room on the lowest floor of...
There's a tornado warning.
Avoid windows.
Marion County.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home...
No, there's a tornado warning for Lawrence, too.
There's no way.
Wait, let me look outside.
Alright, guys.
Indiana.
Guys, Gotham needs me. Oh no! That scares me.
And now look at your forecast for Indianapolis.
Well, you're gonna tune back to the forecast? Are you kidding me?
Partly cloudy.